Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I request our chief guest to kindly come outside. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. Amma ba'd. I ask our school sports minister, president, vice president, SPL and ASPL to escort our esteemed guests onto the dais.
أني قلبي على جمعة الخير ألا يا هلو 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 أني قلبي على جمعة الخير ألا أني قلبي على جمعة الخير ألا بالحب استمعنا وربنا هيكم بالحب استمعنا وربنا هيكم بالحب استمعنا وربنا هيكم بالحب استمعنا وربنا هيكم مرحبا ويا هلا فيكم أنتم منا واحنا فيكم بالمحبة نحييكم يا هلا ويا هلا مرحبا ويا هلا فيكم أنتم منا واحنا فيكم بالمحبة نحييكم يا هلا ويا هلا يا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا يا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا أني قلبي على جمعة الخير ألا أني قلبي على جمعة الخير ألا يا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا يا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا أني قلبي على جمعة الخير ألا أني قلبي على جمعة الخير ألا.
Today we celebrate not just victory but participation, not just speed but spirit, not just competition but confidence. Sports is something that teaches us many qualities like dedication, leadership, discipline and many more. Let us now begin this day by seeking Allah's blessings. Here is Naifa Fatima and Muhaid with the translation to lead us into prayer.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله أما يشركون. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. جزاك الله خير.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. He is Allah. There is no God worthy of worship except Him, knower of the seen and unseen. He is the most compassionate, most merciful. He is Allah. There is no God except Him, the King, the most holy, the all-perfect, the source of serenity, the water of all, the almighty, the supreme in might, the majestic. Glorified is Allah, far above what they associate with Him in worship. He is Allah, the creator, the inventor, the Shaper. He alone has the most beautiful names. Whatever is in the heavens and the earth constantly glorifies him. And he is the Almighty, All-Wise. Jazakallah khair.
High school girls are now ready with the prayer song.
दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्म की सूरत ओ खुदाया मेरी जिंदगी शम्म की सूरत ओ खुदाया मेरी लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी परवाने की सूरत या रब जिंदगी हो मेरी परवाने की सूरत या रब इल्म की शम्म से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब इल्म की शम्म से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको नेक जो राह उस राह पे चलाना मुझको मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको नेक जो राह उस राह पे चलाना मुझको मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको
We are truly honored to have among us our chief guest, Professor U.T. Iftikhar Ali, Executive President, Karnataka State Physiotherapy Federation, a personality who inspires excellence and discipline. On behalf of our institution, here is Muni sir to welcome our chief guest and all the others present here with us today.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. A very good morning to one and all gathered here. It is my immense pleasure and honor, and I take this as a great privilege to welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of Inisio 2025, our annual sports meet. Firstly, I extend a respectful and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Professor Janab U.T. Iftikhar Ali sir, Executive President of Karnataka State Physiotherapy Federation. He completed his Bachelor of Physiotherapy in 1999 and his Master of Physiotherapy from Dr. M.V. Shetty College. Your presence has brought smiles to each and every faces gathered here, sir. This reminds me a beautiful quote by the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says, "Tabassumu fi wajhi akhika sadaqatun." A smile shown to your brother is an act of charity. I now warmly welcome our President of Islamic Educational Institution, Janab Ji Abdul Razak sir, whose vision and leadership guide us. I also welcome our Vice President of Islamic Educational Institution, Janab Ji Janab Abdurrahman Basha sir. I also welcome our Secretary of Islamic Educational Trust, Janab Ahmad Kunji Master sir. I extend my heartfelt and respected welcome to our founder trustee of Janab Islamic Educational Institution, Janab UN Abdul Razak sir. also welcome Treasurer of Islahi Educational Institution, Janab Firoz Abdur Razak sir. I also extend my welcome to the Trustee of Islahi Educational Trust, Janab Hurair Abdur Rahman Basha sir. I extend my warm welcome to our Administrator, Mrs. Aisha Sabina Kaisiran ma'am, for her leadership and coordination. My heartfelt welcome to our Principal, Mrs. Sumangala Shetty ma'am, and our Headmistress Harinakshi ma'am, whose academic leadership and discipline inspire both staff and students. I also extend my sincere welcome to our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff whose hard work behind the scenes make every success possible. A cheerful and special welcome to our dear students, a true spirit of Inizio 2025, and our dear respected parents. I welcome everyone gathered here with the beautiful Arabic greeting, Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban. May you all feel honored, valued, and at home among us. Once again, I welcome you all and thank you for this opportunity. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Jazakallah khairan, sir. May I now call our Secretary of Islahi Educational Trust, Sir Ahmad Kunyem, to address the audience and share insights about our school's journey.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹೋದರರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿ ಫೆಡರೇಷನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಇಫ್ತಿಕಾರ್ ಅಲಿ ಅವರೇ, ಇಸ್ಲಾಹಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ತಾವು ಈ ಊರಿನವರಾದ ಕಾರಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಪಡುವಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ಸುಮಾರು 37 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಬಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಮಹತ್ತರವಾದ ಒಂದು ಆಶೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ಇಸ್ಲಾಹಿ ಮದ್ರಸಾ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ 7-8 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದಂಥ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಇವಾಗ 2 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 4,500ರಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರಗತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು PUCವರೆಗೂ ಅರಬಿಕ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ತರಗತಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಬಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಮುದಾಯದವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಮಹತ್ತರವಾದ ಆಶೆಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ತ್ಯಾಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಲಾಭದಾಯಕವಲ್ಲದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಗಳು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಣ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇ ಹೊರತು ಒಂದು ಪೈಸೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ತೆಗೆಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೌತಿಕವಾದಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕವಾದಂಥ ಅರಬಿಕ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾದಂಥ ವಿಷಯ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸದ್ಯ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಷಕರ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಯಂತೆ ಕರಾಟೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಅರಬಿಕ್ ಕುರ್ಆನ್ ಹಿಫ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿವಿಧ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಆಟೋಟ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬೌದ್ಧಿಕವಾದ, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ದೈಹಿಕವಾದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮೀಫ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಇಲಾಖೆ ವತಿಯ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಆಟೋಟ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಮುಕ್ತವಾದಂಥ ಪರಿಸರ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ದುಶ್ಚಟಗಳು ತುಂಬಿದಂಥ ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೈ ತಪ್ಪಿ ಹೋಗದಂತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕವಾದ ಬೋಧನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಕಾಲಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಪ್ರವಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ 2 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣವಾದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆತ್ತುವಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 60ರಷ್ಟು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಕಳೆದ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ SLCಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಯಾರು ಪದವಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 100% ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 98% ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಬೇಡುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮು ಅಲೈಕುಂ ವರಹಮತುಲ್ಲಾಹ್.
Jazakallah khairan, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourself for a burst of energy and color. I now invite our students of 3rd standard to light up the day with their powerful performance. As they move forward, welcome them with a huge round of applause. Thank you, children, for a wonderful performance. Get ready to witness a display of strength, focus, and discipline. Our talented students are all set to present an exciting karate program. Let's take a moment to appreciate the ancient art of karate. Originated from Japan, karate learn powerful techniques, build confidence, and develop a strong spirit. It's not just a sport, it's a way of life. Let's welcome our karate team to demonstrate their skills and showcase the true spirit of karate. They are performing three martial arts, student pyramid formation, nunchaku, bow staff, and self-defense. The nunchaku is a traditional Okinawan martial arts weapon consisting of two sticks connected by a chain or rope. It's used in various martial arts including karate and kobudo. was wonderful performance. After witnessing a thrilling performance and remarkable sportsmanship, it's now time to give the prize for the two group events. That is, goes to Sara Liza and group. Children, as your names are called out, be quick and come first near the stage. PUC, first prize goes to Aisha Shalula and group. Second prize goes to Khatija Gizlan and group. PUC, first prize goes to Aisha Shalula and group. Boys section, football, first prize. Boys section, first prize in high school goes to Rifai and group. Second prize goes to Mahish and group. High school, first prize goes to Rifai and group. Second prize goes to Mahish and group. Second prize goes to Mahish and group. see football. First prize goes to Shabib and Group. Second prize goes to Abdul Anas and Group. First prize goes to Shabib and Group. Second prize goes to Abdul Anas and Group. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special moment for all of us. It is our privilege to honor our chief guest, Professor UT Iftikhar Ali, whose presence has added grace and inspiration to our event today. To carry out the felicitation, I now request all the dignitaries on the dais to do the honors.
Assalamu alaikum, good morning. My respected father figure, founder of the Islahiyya School, Razak Haji sir. Our respected father figure from my daddy's time, from my childhood time, I call him as Basha Uncle sir. My brother in BCCI and all the group, we call him Gautam Razak Haji sir, the president of the trust. Ahmad Master sir, my school friend Uwair sir, my friend Feroz sir, Madam Aisha, Madam Sumangala, Madam Arnakshi, Madam Anila, and all the respected students, the kids who did drill, the kids who did karate, and the awards of football members, the prize awardees, and my dear friends, and my dear parents. I am not going to talk much today. You are in the sunny side, you are in the awards of the sports meet. I saw your Kabir Bhai, your karate coach, defenders playing around for the ladies and gents. I could see the little kids with the drills. I was known for Islahiyya School from my childhood, but when I came to campus today, I was happy because I could get felicitated by the senior persons like Razak Haji, Basha Uncle in the family. Then I could see the enthusiasm with the Munish talking about in the language of English. then I could make out the teaching team, like from Aisha ma'am to Sumangala ma'am running about, from Anila ma'am administration. Then I could see disciplined parents sitting and watching for last 1 hour. Then I could see the kids sitting on the left side, on the right side with the sports president. So I should feel Islaya school should go to a more higher education. I think Islaya education needs good more English command with PUC Science School College should start over here. And I wish, me being a Health Education Commission head of the state, education is more important. I always told you, the Islaya alumni student has become a doctor in the government hospital in Ullal. So the parents of Islaya school should see that in the 11th and 12th, if they get a good education, they should continue the education in the school of 11th and 12th in the same campus with the same teaching methodology, and you have different type of scope. Anything from my side, from Education Commission to support Islaya education, I'm always there. And to start higher education, let it be diploma courses by your paramedical, DMLT, DMIT, DOT, physiotherapy, speech therapy, occupation therapy, medical lab technology, AT, OT, IT, nursing. These are the in thing you should study in future. Medical, dental, all other courses are there. But you kids, boys and girls, I wish you should start studying more of allied courses. The job opportunity is more. You have physiotherapy, you have speech therapy, you have occupation therapy, you have medical lab technology, you have AT, OT, anesthesia, dialysis, psychology, dietitian. So one day I will come to the 10th standard kids to take a orientation class, what you should take in 11th. One day I'll come to 12th standard students class, what you should take in degree. So I'll take one permission from your management. In a year, 1 hour class I'll come for your orientation motivation classes. So I thank all the management and all the teachers. You perform, you kids should perform. You should be a performer. You'll be recognized. See, my wife is a gynae onco robotic surgeon. She has done MBBS, she has done MD, she has onco. You understand? My father was MLA here. I'm a junior to Bashankal's daddy. My brother is a speaker here, Kadir, who is an MLA here, Kadir sir. So this all inspiration you should get more, and you should be something in life in future. I wish Islaya education will go to higher standards. I wish you kids will rise and shine in your future. Assalamu alaikum.
On behalf of our institution, I extend a heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Professor UT Iftikhar Ali, for accepting our invitation. Thank you, sir, for your time, your encouraging message, and the warmth you shared with us today. Jazakallah khair. Coordination and teamwork. These children have practiced tirelessly under the guidance of their teachers, and now they are ready to present a performance that will fill your hearts with pride. Let's encourage our children with a big round of applause. Here they come, our energetic performers of first standard. Let's cheer them out, children. A big round of applause. Still louder. Still louder. Yes, that's the spirit. can you all see it? Yes, that's our school name. Let's roar it louder for our stars. They have code Islahi, ISLAHI. Still louder, children. They need your cheers. Jazakallah khairan, students. It was a wonderful performance. I request first to third standard speed walk children to be ready for their prizes. Islahi Educational Trust, Sir G. Abdul Razak to kindly grace the stage and address the gathering with the presidential address.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, teachers and parents. Very warm good morning. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to all to this vibrant celebration of strength, spirit and sportsmanship. The enthusiasm we see on the ground today truly reflects the dynamic energy of our students. We are deeply honored by the presence of our chief guest, Dr. UT Iftikhar Ali, whose achievement and values are a true inspiration on our young minds. His presence today adds great significance and motivation to this occasion. As a trust, we believe sports play a vital role in shaping confident, disciplined, and responsible individuals. Along with academic excellence, physical fitness prepares our children to face life's challenges with courage and determination. I proudly appreciate our students who have practiced with dedication and passion, and I congratulate all my teachers whose commitment and teamwork has made this possible. I also thank all the parents for being with us today to boost your child's confidence. I once again thank our chief guest for gracing this occasion. May this day be filled with excitement and unforgettable memories. May Allah's blessings be with us always. Ameen. Jazakumullah khair. Thank you one and all.
Let us now give the prizes. First standard speed walk. First standard speed walk, first place. We begin with the third standard. First prize in speed walk goes to Nehan Nasir. First prize goes to Nehan Nasir. Fifth standard A speed walk, first prize goes to Ayman Hassan. Second prize goes to Yashim Mohammed. Fifth A. Prize goes to Fatima Nazifa. Second prize goes to Aisha Anu. Give them a big round of applause, children. Third standard A, 50 meters race. First prize goes to Musa Fazal Abdullah. Second prize goes to Arham Abdul Rashid. Meters race, third standard A. First prize goes to Musa Fazal Abdullah. Second prize goes to Arham Abdul Rashid. Musa Fazal, Arham Abdul Rashid. Second prize goes to Aisha Manha. Second prize goes to Aisha Manha. Sixth standard, be ready with your drill. Sports Day is one of the most awaited events in our school calendar. Our children have been practicing for weeks, perfecting every movement to bring you this wonderful performance in nature.
After this drill, I want 75-meter race, 4th and 5th girls and boys to be prepared. 75 race, 75-meter race, students be prepared. 9.
nature. Give them a big round of applause, children. 75-meter race. Fifth standard. First prize goes to Muhammad Ayman Hassan. Second prize goes to Afam Rais Shufail. I request Ahmed Master to give away the prizes. After the drill, 100 meters race. Those who are the winners should be ready. Standard with the name Mighty Lions. You can cheer them more, children. Your applause means a lot to them.
Exercise number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Exercise number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Exercise number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Exercise number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Exercise number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Exercise number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Exercise number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next 10. Exercise number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, stop.
Children, you can move and sit in their place. Ninth standard, Yafi Musa, 100 meters race. First PUC, first prize in 100 meters race goes to Shabib Maluf bin Ismail. Second prize goes to Abdul Sattar Marzouk. PUC, first prize goes to Shabib, second prize goes to Marzouk. Second prize Fatima Ishmat. Next 200 race winners, kindly be ready from 6th to PUC, both boys and girls. with our prizes. 200 meters race. Suma ma'am to give away the prizes. To 9th standard A, Ashia Muaz. 200 meters race, 7th standard B, Muhammad Salim gets the first prize. Second prize goes to 7th standard. 7th standard A, first prize goes to Fatima Ikra. Second prize goes to Mariam Nafla, 6th standard B. First prize Fatima Ikra, 7th standard A. Second prize goes to Mariam Nafla, 6th standard B. Fourth standard children, be ready with their drill. Next is second standard. Girls, first prize goes to Zainaba Ashfiya, second PUC. Second prize goes to Mariam Shafa, second PUC. Shot put students, be ready here for your prizes. Shot put and discus, both. 6th to PUC. Fourth standard children, kindly stand in attention and cover your faces with the flag.
What's up, Tomorrowland? We can live forever if you want.
نستعين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين أما بعد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ಸರ್ವ ಸ್ತುತಿಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಾಹನಿಗೆ ಮೀಸಲು. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಪೋಷಕ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಗಳೇ, ಇಸ್ಲಾಹಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಹಲವಾರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು, ಹಲವಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರಂಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಹೊಸಗಳನ್ನು ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಕಾ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರ ಅಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅರಬಿಕ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಕಳೆದ ಕೆಲ ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಅರಬಿಕ್ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಮಟ್ಟ ಅಥವಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕುಂದುಕೊರತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡ ನಂತರ ಕಳೆದ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಅರಬಿಕ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಅದರ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದು 3ನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ 2025 ಮತ್ತು 26ರ. ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಿದಂತಹ 2 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಜಿ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಜಾಕ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಫಾತಿಮತ್ ಜಸೀರಾ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲೀಂ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಸಹ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಎರಡನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಮರಿಯಮ್ಮ ಫಾಜಿಲಾ. ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಬಿಕ್, ಹದೀಸ್, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಫ್ಸೀರ್, ನಹು, ಅದಬ್ ರಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತಹ 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUCಯ ನಂತರದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೀಸಲಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ಲಾಹಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹಿರ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಆಯಿಷಾ ಹಯಾ 5th B ಇವರನ್ನು ಸಹ ಇವತ್ತು ಗೌರವಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಸಲೀಂ ಸರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಯಿಷಾ ಹಯಾ ಇವರು ಕಾಯ್ದಾ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಜಿರಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಷ್ಟರ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಪ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಜುಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹಿಫ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯಿಷಾ ಹಯಾ 5th B. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಸಾಲಿನ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಯಿಷತುಲ್ ರುಬೀನಾ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸಹ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಗೌರವಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಸಲೀಂ ಸರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಾಹನು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಇಹ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಲೋಕದ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಲೆಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಾಹನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಇಸ್ಲಾಹಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮು ಅಲೈಕುಂ ವರಹಮತುಲ್ಲಾಹಿ ವಬರಕಾತುಹು.
Jazakallah khairan, sir. I welcome our trustee of Islamic Educational Trust, Salim sir, for our annual Sports Day valedictory ceremony.
Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the result of our annual Sports Day Championship. After witnessing days of healthy competition, discipline, teamwork, and true sportsmanship, based on the total points secured by each house,
Are you excited? Blue House with 530 points is the runner-up. Any guesses for the first? I can see the team captain here. You're absolutely correct. Red House has secured the overall championship. Heartily congratulations to Red House for emerging as the championship, as to Blue House for a commendable performance as runner-up. I also appreciate Yellow and Green Houses for their sincere efforts and sportsman spirits. Every participant is a winner today, as you all displayed discipline, teamwork and true sportsmanship. Jazakallah khairan and congratulations to all. All the captains, Trader, it is my right to say, I want the discipline with you. You have done your days very well since from the last week. Yes, blue team captain, all the captains, high school, primary.
Captains of the throw ball or football or anything, all can come to the red with the 605, blue with 530, yellow with 415, green with 355.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के पहले आजा जरी वाले नीले आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले है आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले है सच्ची मैंने जान दवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा सारी तारे नीले आसमान के तले शम्मे हो गमे दे खाने दे
Ahora conmigo, para hoy con presentilla, tengo días más problemas, lo que sea. ¡Salud!
आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले है आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले है आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा
सारी वाली नीले आसमान के तले शम्मे हो गमे दे खाने दे
जिंदे शामी आने के तले है आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले है सच्ची मैंने जान दवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा सारी तारे नीले आसमान के तले शम्मे हो गमे दे खाने दे
चख ले हाँ चख ले ये रात शहद है चख ले रख ले हाँ दिल है दिल आखिरी हद है रख ले काला सरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले जय हो जय हो
Come with the brightest smiles, colorful props, and endless enthusiasm. A huge round of applause for our young performers.
To our girls, 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, Thunderball say, well, woman, the way the time cool, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature, will shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
Jazakallah khairan students. What do you think, children? It was a very wonderful performance by our tiny tots. Finally, our students are here of 7th standard with a shawl drill. The students of 7th standard are all ready to perform a drill with the shawl. Give them a big round of applause, children. Your applause will cheer them up. Nunchaku. The nunchaku is a traditional Okinawan martial arts weapon consisting of 2 sticks connected by a chain or rope. It's used in various martial arts including karate and kobudo. Nunchaku, martial arts weapon consisting of 2 sticks connected by a chain or rope. It is used in various martial arts including karate and kobudo. Square martial arts. Square is an ancient Indian martial art form that originated in Kashmir. It's a unique blend of physical techniques, mental discipline, and spiritual growth. The bow staff is a long wooden staff used in various martial arts, including karate. It's a versatile weapon that requires skill, strength, and coordination. The bow staff is a long wooden staff used in various martial arts, including karate. It's a versatile weapon that requires skill, strength, and coordination. Called as chair stretching. A small announcement to the parents. Please do not take your children if they are having any prizes in any of the competitions. It will be given now soon after the karate program. prize Ashim, second prize Kashif. Ashim. Kashif, second prize goes to Kashif. 9th standard, first prize, second prize Liza, 8th standard. Fatima Rani Banisha, second prize goes to Bhavya, 6th standard. Tenth standard girls, first prize goes to Aishatul Mishriya, second prize goes to Aisha Muazza, 9th standard A. Places do not occupy the ground. Please move back, sit in your places or go back to your class. To Muhammad Qais, 7th standard A. Long jump, Muhammad Isham, Muhammad Qais. All the children kindly go back to your classes and class teachers see that they do not come out of the classes. Do not allow them to come to the ground. Long jump. Second prize goes to Aisha Asma, 7th standard A. Long jump, high school section, first prize goes to Ahmadul Kabir Rifaz, 9th standard A. Second prize goes to Muhammad Ayman Irfan, 10th standard. Long jump, high school section, first prize goes to Amra Mariam, 9th standard A. Second prize goes to Mariam Falak. Long jump PUC, first prize goes to Abdul Sattar Marzuk, second PUC. Second prize goes to Kifayat bin Ismail, second PUC. Long jump girls, second prize goes to Mariam Shafa, second PUC. Discus throw, first prize goes to Mariam Shafa, second PUC. Second prize goes to Fatimatul. High jump, Girls section, first prize goes to Shiva Mariam, 6th standard. Second prize goes to Fatima Shahadia, 6th standard B. Second prize goes to Nehan Samir, 9th A. First prize Isha Muhammad Hanif, 9th B. Second prize Nehan Samir, 9th A. Girls high school section, high jump, first prize goes to Numa Khatija Walid, 8th A. Second, 9th standard Isha Muhammad Hanif. Are you there? All the children, kindly move back, children. Go and sit in the chairs which are there at the back. You can relax, sit and watch. Second prize goes to Abdul Sattar Marzuk, second PUC. High jump. Fatima Liba, along with your teammates, kindly come forward. Second prize goes to Nafisa Shamna and team. Throw ball. Second prize goes to Fatima Shamna and team. Along with your group. Next throw ball event, higher primary section, Fatima Rahiba and team. First prize goes to Fatima Rahiba and team. Second prize goes to Mizna and team. All the children, please do not stand on the ground. Kindly sit in the place provided for you at the end, or else go back to your classes.
Fatima Iqra, 7th A and team. Kho, first place Aisha Shalula and team. PUC Kho, second place.